What is the Great Paperless Society and why does it matter? If you've ever heard someone mention the Great Paperless Society, you might picture a futuristic world where filing cabinets are empty, printers are collecting dust, and every document lives in the cloud. And honestly, that's not too far from the goal. The Great Paperless Society is really about replacing traditional paper with digital solutions, making work faster, cheaper, and more environmentally friendly. It's a shift that's been happening for decades, and while we're not completely paper-free yet, many businesses, schools, and even governments are closer than ever. At its core, the idea is simple. Instead of relying on physical paper for communication, records, and forms, we use technology. That can mean sending an email instead of a letter, filling out an online form instead of printing and scanning, storing files in the cloud instead of a filing cabinet, or approving something with digital signatures instead of pen and ink. The goal is efficiency and accessibility while reducing waste. And there are some major benefits to going paperless. It saves time because you're not digging through folders or waiting for mail to arrive. It saves money on printing, storage, and postage. It gives you the flexibility to work anywhere since digital files can be accessed from home, the office, or even your phone. Digital files are often more secure too, since they can be encrypted and controlled with permissions. And of course, using less paper is better for the environment. Now, are we fully paperless today? Not quite. Paper still has its place. Some legal documents still require physical copies. Some customers don't have access to the internet. And in certain situations, a physical record just feels more trustworthy. But thanks to tools like cloud platforms, e-signature softwares, and document management systems, the amount of paper we use has dropped dramatically. If you're thinking about going paperless yourself, the best approach is to take it just one step at a time. Start by digitizing important documents into searchable PDFs. Move your storage to the cloud with tools like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox so you can access the files anywhere. Adopt digital workflows, like using DocuSign or Adobe Sign for approvals. Train your team so everyone feels comfortable with digital tools. And cut back gradually so the transition feels natural. The Great Paperless Society isn't just a dream. It's an ongoing movement that's already reshaping how we work, learn, and communicate. We may not be completely paper-free yet, but every small step we take brings us closer to a future where you'll never have to ask, where did I put that document again? To learn more about tailored IT services for your business, contact us today for a free IT assessment. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.